Have you ever wondered what happens after a significant car accident? Who takes responsibility? Who ensures justice is served? Think about it. Every day, thousands of car accidents occur around the globe. They're as unpredictable as the weather and can cause a whirlwind of chaos that often feels impossible to navigate. From minor fender benders to catastrophic collisions, these incidents leave an indelible mark on the lives of those involved. It's not just about the physical damage or the emotional shock. There's a maze of legal complexities to sift through. Who was at fault? What about insurance claims? How does one get compensated for medical bills, lost wages, or even pain and suffering? These questions often loom large, adding to the stress of an already traumatic event. But amidst the confusion and uncertainty, a beacon of hope emerges. A special group of professionals step in, ready to shoulder the burden and fight for the rights of the victims. These are the car accident attorneys. In these challenging times, a special group of professionals step in, car accident attorneys. Meet Jane, a single mother who found herself in a severe car accident one fateful evening. Jane, like many of us, was not prepared for the aftermath of a car accident, particularly the legal complexities that ensued. Jane's accident was not her fault. A careless driver ran a red light, and the impact left Jane with significant injuries and a totaled car. The negligent driver's insurance company was quick to offer Jane a settlement, but it was nowhere near enough to cover her medical bills, let alone her vehicle's replacement. Enter the car accident attorney, a beacon in the fog of legal confusion. Jane's attorney was experienced in dealing with insurance companies and understood the tactics they often use to minimize payouts. He knew that Jane's case was worth more than the insurance company's initial offer, and he was not afraid to fight for it. The attorney took over the negotiation process, relieving Jane of the stress and allowing her to focus on her recovery. He gathered the necessary evidence to prove the other driver's negligence, including police reports, witness statements, and medical records. He also quantified Jane's damages, taking into account not just her current medical expenses, but also future treatment costs, loss of earnings, and emotional distress. Jane's attorney then presented this comprehensive claim to the insurance company. When they refused to increase their offer, he was ready to take the case to court. The insurance company, faced with the prospect of a jury trial, decided to settle for a much higher amount. This settlement allowed Jane to pay her medical bills, replace her car, and even set some money aside for her future needs. It was a life-changing outcome that would not have been possible without the expertise and determination of her car accident attorney. Without her car accident attorney, Jane could have been lost in the legal system, possibly receiving less than what she deserved. It's a stark reminder that in the aftermath of a car accident, having a skilled attorney by your side can make all the difference. Now, let's consider John, a hard-working father who got into an accident due to a faulty traffic light. John was driving home after a long day at work when a malfunctioning traffic signal caused a horrifying collision. In the aftermath, he was left with mounting medical bills, a totaled car, and the inability to work. Enter his car accident attorney. She took it upon herself to investigate the incident meticulously. She discovered that the city had received numerous complaints about the faulty traffic light, but had failed to act. She presented this evidence in court, arguing that the city's negligence had directly resulted in John's accident. The court agreed. Thanks to his attorney's diligent efforts, John was awarded a considerable compensation package. This money allowed him to cover his medical bills, replace his car, and sustain his family while he was recovering. John's story showcases how car accident attorneys can hold even large entities accountable for their negligence. From Jane's and John's stories, it's clear how car accident attorneys play a pivotal role in roadside justice. These legal experts are more than just lawyers in suits. They are advocates standing up for victims' rights, ensuring justice is served promptly and fairly. Car accidents can be a maze of chaos and confusion. In the midst of this disarray, car accident attorneys are the compass, guiding victims through the complex legal system with skill and precision. They dissect the intricate web of laws, leaving no stone unturned in the pursuit of truth and fairness. Moreover, they are the negotiators in the room, going toe-to-toe with insurance companies. They ensure that victims receive fair compensation, defending their interests with unwavering determination. In conclusion, car accident attorneys are not just important, they are crucial. They are the guardians of justice, the voice for the unheard, the beacon in the storm. In the face of a car accident, remember, you're not alone. With a car accident attorney, justice is always within reach.